Good morning, guys. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Vanessa. If you guys are new here, welcome. I realized I didn't properly introduce my video, so I'm just doing that. Today is Saturday. Not too much planned today. Yesterday I just did some things, some errands. I went to Marshall's. I had to get a couple things for the apartment. Just some stuff to decorate for fall. That's so exciting. I moved over here because the lighting was so much better, but then I ended up making some banana muffins. Just like a chill day. I had class all day, did some homework, so got all that stuff out of the way, and now I'm just chilling today. But I think I'm gonna go to the farm. I want to get some fresh veggies and stuff, and then I want to get some pumpkins, do some cute things like that. But right now I'm going to Pilates, and I just put my lemon water in the microwave because I'm gonna have that, and then I'll have some breakfast afterwards. So yeah, I'm gonna come home, take a shower, do all that stuff, clean. I have some laundry to do. My friend might be coming here, Savannah. She's home. I don't know if we're doing something or not, but if we are, I will definitely see her, so that'll be fun. I don't really know, but I have to go to Pilates. It's like 8:30 right now, and I have to go. It's at 9. And yeah, so I will see you guys later. I'm just wearing this like little, I don't even know, sports bra thing with leggings and a little sweatshirt. I just ordered a ton of stuff from Aritzia and like the brand Set, because I love like the set pieces. I think those are so cute. I've honestly thought about like making them before, but I don't know how people would, you know, how that would go about. But I love fashion and stuff like that, so I have definitely always thought about doing stuff like that, but I'm just kind of busy right now. Yeah, I love set pieces though. I think they're so cute, and they just make you look more put together. So that's just what is up. Should I just like crumble it?
Yeah. Like a small.
Is that good?
Is it just like in a basket, or is that okay?
No, this is not good. This is not good footage. Okay, this is a blooper. Okay.
Just got a package from Monat. I got the volumizing shampoo and conditioner. This is my favorite. Just like restocked on it. And then I was supposed to get an eye cream, but it didn't come yet. I am kind of disappointed and sad, but that's okay. This is like my 4th water today. And I need to get a pillowcase for my pillow. And just kind of like clean up my room. Have all of this stuff to clean. This is a mess. I finally did my closet organizing thing. I'll give you guys a proper room tour once I'm done, but this is just laundry I have to fold. Then I am starting a new detox. So it is a 1-month detox of clean eating, and I take all these certain supplements. I could definitely go into more detail with it, but I got all brand new supplements, like so many of them. And I got, this is like a joint cream, it's supposed to help with your joints. This is calcium. I just got so many. And then this is the water bottle they gave me to drink, because I'm going to do a little 3-day detox as well. This is my folder. Just saw like a proper nutritionist, just to like keep in check with everything. Just to like keep in check with everything, because like I know that I am healthy, but I wanted to just make sure that I wasn't like efficient or deficient in anything. Like seeing that I take so many vitamins like as it is by myself, I wanted to make sure that I was like getting the proper nutrients in my body. Seeing that I don't eat dairy and I only eat certain meats, so I really just like wanted to make sure that I was like getting the right proper nutrients. And believe it or not, I was pretty deficient in like some things, so that is why I'm doing this 1 month cleanse. And I got so many vitamins. I was like, it feels like I'm going shopping. I like love stuff like this, so I was like wicked pumped to buy all this stuff. I'm gonna put away my laundry now, kind of sit down and relax. I've been going all day. It's like, what time is it? It's definitely like 2 o'clock. It's like a Friday. And yes, I'm just gonna like chill. I just had lunch. I had chicken, mushrooms, spinach, all healthy foods. Then I'm gonna go get my hair blow dried and washed because my mom's a hairdresser and that's what comes with the advantage of that. So, yeah.
But you think she has like something like what?
Like this, yeah.
So like
What is it, like country? Yeah.
country.
I know. Hi guys, it is a little later now. Just going to end this video off here. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing a little bit of this video. It is a little later now on a Saturday night. I'm just like winding down and actually going to edit this video. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a big like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Follow my Instagram, all that stuff. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.